Safeguarding dignity in work, social protection, human capital development, and inclusive sustainable job creation were key activities of the Ministry of Labour and Social Security in 2019. The Labour portfolio opened the calendar year by securing employment in Canada for 296 farm workers. 100 more would find their way to the North American country under the Seasonal Agricultural Workers Program. The Ministry's Hanover Parish office was relocated to an upgraded facility at Bustamante Square in Lucy in February to increase access and service delivery. In 2019, efforts to modernize Jamaica's work permit framework continued.
This program aims to roll out a new client-focused, web-based work permit system that will be linked to the LMIS. It is envisioned that this system will, inter alia, provide a local skills bank vis-à-vis the importation of skilled workers.
A memorandum of understanding was signed in February with the Montego University College to coordinate the dissemination of labor market intelligence, increase career development, and populate a skills bank with certified persons. A MOU was also signed with the Montego Bay Community College aimed at bridging the skills gap between job seekers and employers. A new website and a mobile app were launched in April for the Labour Market Information System LMIS. On June 17, an enhanced website and mobile app were launched, enabling users more effective navigation of the website and ease of access to the services of the Labour Market Information System LMIS.
These initiatives seek to ensure that job seekers and employers will have the services of the Ministry at their fingertips.
Still in June, the Child Labour Unit within the Ministry launched a book on the Youth Decent Work Deficit. On September 12, the Minimum Wage Advisory Commission held the first of its consultations on the national minimum wage. In keeping with the Ministry's mandate, a mega conference-like community engagement activity started a series of roadshows where 1,200 persons from the Western region benefited, and more than 30 employers conducted interviews with job applicants who registered through the Labour Market Information Systems portal. A second roadshow was held in October, and a third in Port Maria, St. Mary on November 27. On the social protection side, the Program of Advancement through Health and Education PATH got an improved budget in 2019. The ministry also provided $569 million in back-to-school grants for children registered on PATH.
We understand that if we want a better Jamaica, a better future for Jamaica, we must invest in our children. And that is why this is so important.
Her ministry also continued to advance the social and economic inclusion of persons with disabilities. Consultations were held on the Code of Practices for Employment, which were developed in accordance with the Disabilities Act and in preparation for its implementation. 80 children with disabilities received assistive aids such as wheelchairs, walkers, and hearing aids with the help of the World Bank and the Japanese Embassy. During Child Month, the Glen Hope Nursery and Place of Safety was supplied with safety items such as mosquito nets and toiletries. At the other end of the age spectrum, the ministry invited comments on the Green Paper for a new national policy for senior citizens. And the National Council for Senior Citizens partnered with the Ministry of Health and Wellness to launch a physical activity booklet for seniors. The Ministry of Labour and Social Security in 2019 safeguarded dignity in work, social protection, human capital development, and inclusive, sustainable job creation.